Everyone's on deck here today. We got 2 frozen cattle pots from the south, and they are deep. I'm gonna show you how deep they are. We've got 2 people in each trailer scooping and thawing. Probably be, with 2 people in each trailer, probably be an hour and a half, 2 hours, which really in an hour and a half would be 3 hours. 3 hours of everybody working on each trailer. So anyways, I'll show you what it's like. Thank God winter's about over. Yeah, winter, favorite time of the year to wash out trailers. Just kidding. Normally it's so bad, but these ones, they got a few loads on them. They're deep. Traps are not big plugs. They're just small ones with lines across them. So it'll take some time, some work, but we'll get it done. Sunday, just kind of doing a walk around, show what we did this week, maybe the last 2 weeks. I don't know if I did one of these last week. Over here we got some of our trailers home. They'll be going out later today, most of them. Some customer trailers. We still got about 100 bales left. Nobody's really picked any up, but there's 70 bales have sold. We have more available if anybody's interested in hay. So we'll walk over here to the paint shop. We did this day, just painted this day cab there Friday, so we'll see what this looks like, and I guess you guys can be the judges. Here she is. We went with silver and black. I think we're doing some pinstriping along there. I think that's what we've talked about. We'll see how that comes along. So here it is. We're gonna do stainless steel box covers. Ooh, where's my hand? We're gonna do stainless steel box covers there, Darwin style visor up there, window chops, everything should line up nice. That's the goal anyways. I'm gonna buff out that grill surround, 20-inch box end bumper, and then we'll buff the rims out and put the top hats and all that on it. And excuse my right eye. I get migraines sometimes, and last night I had migraines and I was sick all night, so that's why it looks like I blew out something in my eye. But anyways, this should look pretty good. I think we'll probably just do a diamond plate, deck plate at the end. Up here, I know we got for the window, the back window right there, we're doing the chrome, the stainless steel trim around it, and then the visor for the top. Then obviously the lights in the back. I believe all the lights on this truck we're gonna do the truck's accessories lights that change to blue. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at on this truck. We'll head over, see if we can point out anything else we got. I know we got the fiberglass hood for the 01. We've changed directions just a little bit. We got something we want to do a little different and special to that hood. We're gonna try it. We haven't ever seen it before. Maybe it's been done. I mean, I'm sure maybe somebody's done it out there, but we haven't seen it. So we'll go over there and talk about that and see the hood. We not only run Tylube oil for our motocross bikes for our kids, but we also run Tylube oil in all of our semis and tractors and combines and all that. So if you guys want great oil, great products, great race gas, here's our 110 octane race gas, all by Tylube and Ty Fuel. If anything, we all are dealers. If anybody needs anything, just let us know. So here's our fiberglass hood that we ordered. There's a reason we went fiberglass. That'll be made clear in the next couple videos. But the other hood was just fine, but for what we're wanting to do, we needed to go fiberglass. There'll be some. There's always people out there that are concerned that Peterbilts have to have a aluminum hood. Aluminum hood is the best. Well, for what we want to do, we have to go fiberglass. This week we did some more work on some of the trucks here. Brian's just cleaning his windows, stuff like that. He's going out again today with hauling pigs. We released a video just, I think it was like Friday or Saturday, of more of the body work and work we did to this truck here. So what we did here is we obviously had, we showed in the video the corrosion behind the shocks on the bump. So what we did is we cut those pieces out, replaced them, welded them back in, sanded down, ground them down, sanded, and then just prepped just a little bit of Bondo over it to smooth everything out for the body prep for the paint. So obviously there's pressure on this, so it had to be installed good and strong. So we did that. Had a couple people, literally 2 people, comment that should have replaced the whole panel. It would have been cheaper and saved time. Well, they're wrong. It wouldn't have been cheaper and it wouldn't have saved time. I'm going to drill out all these rivets all the way around. We'd have to take out the interior. We'd have to drill out the rivets up on the roof cap, buy the panel to put in, then re-rivet everything and hope everything lines up correctly so you don't have anything else showing in the back that shouldn't be. So it would not have been faster, 1. 2, it wouldn't have been cheaper. And 3, this is strong, and nobody ever know. Had a couple people point out that they were glad that we showed that we changed that out, because many people would have just covered it up and just said, hey, you know, nobody's gonna see it, nobody's gonna look, which people do. We like everybody to know as much as they can about our trucks. Otherwise, I mean, if I wanted to hide it, I wouldn't have showed it on the video. So, because we actually already ahead of time fabricated up for a fiberglass piece that will cover all the shocks and everything. It's a nice clean look. I believe we're going to install lights in that backwards also. It's so in reality, yeah, nobody would have saw it, but we would have known. You know, we want a good truck out there, a good product for people to buy and drive down the road for years and years to come. So beyond that, we have mocked up fender brackets for our fiberglass fenders. half fenders. We're not going full fenders because a lot of our trucks go to people that are hauling livestock and beating up and down gravel roads, and it's just nice to not have to worry about smashing your fenders in the back. So along with that, obviously we cut 8 holes in the back of the bunk. We're going to do lights on here. Down here's what we got. I believe we ordered the wide bands, 6-inch wide bands for the tanks. They'll be coming in. Like I said, we had this hood pretty much ready to go, but we have decided to change directions, and that is why the fiberglass hood is coming in. And again, that would be made apparent on why we're doing that shortly. Here's the tanks, 130-gallon tanks we're putting on this truck. Brand new. And that's pretty much what we did on that's pretty much what we did on this truck this week. A lot of body work, you know, just sanding, getting it prepped for paint. I mean, key is after doing the soda blasting, you gotta make sure you get all the residue away from where these rivets are, because if you don't, that's the first place that paint would try to come back off, is wherever that stuff's at. So we gotta really try to get that stuff out of there. So we also had a delivery of our oil. So our oil came in. Again, we run the Thai Lube oil, 1540. Run that in all of our trucks, all of our tractors, run a combine, everything we have, we run that in. Great stuff. And the company is here from Iowa, so they've also always sponsored us when we race motorcycles, and now they sponsor our boys, and we've just always ran the stuff, so wouldn't run it if it wasn't great. We're also cutting a window in right here, so just the way we did it. Some people agree, some don't. Anyways, so that's what we did on this truck this week. That's it. This week we did a lot of work on that 01. That's pretty much all we did. And then painted that other day cab. So if you get a chance, check out McDonaldChromeShop.com. Check out our Facebook page, McDonald Truck Wash and Chrome Shop. Also, I'm a little behind on updating it, but you can go to McDonaldTruckSales.com and usually see the trucks we have for sale. Right now we only have one, the 08 386 for sale. Other than that, everything else is being worked on. We're uploading more products weekly to our Shopify site to people can order and be shipped to them anytime. If you have any questions, call us at 712-652-3834 or email us at McDonaldChromeShop.com. We had a bigger run than we anticipated on our t-shirts and clothing after we started posting online, so a couple orders ran a little later, but they all went out, I believe, Friday. So you should be, anybody that didn't get theirs yet should be getting it here any minute. All right, well, we'll see you on the next video.